Hello everyone, welcome to Excel-Tally Softwares. Excel-Tally Softwares provides you the best solution for your Excel Tally integration. It has no monthly cost, just pay once and use lifetime. We provide a desktop-based utility, no XML import facility. We can import your ledger, item, sales, purchase, bank, receipt, payment, journal, e-commerce with the commission and settlement, payroll data with the employee master, attendance and payroll entries, e-invoicing in just a click. You can visit our website excel-tally.com. Download the demo version by filling the details on the form on our website and get the zip link of the software. Extract the zip to the document folder and get the software on your system. To import your Excel sheet data in a Tally, you will get a software Excel-Tally 9.9. Open the folder. In a folder, application file is present. Just open that application file. The same application file, fetch the Tally company which you keep open. Currently in my Tally, Excel-Tally software company is open. You can see the company and the company has no voucher entered. Okay. After that, selecting a company, we have to prepare an Excel sheet for our data. Today we are going to import the Amazon sales data. So in e-commerce template, you will get a Amazon file, Amazon sales data. This is a template of a software. First, we have to clear the sheet. Then click on open your file button. As you click on open your file button, you will get a browse menu. You have to select your Amazon sales data which you have downloaded from the portal of Amazon. First, select the file. Then the same file contains sheets, number of sheets. So select the sheet here, that is Amazon sales. Provide a starting row and ending row. My existing file having start row of 2 and end row is 60. So I'll select here end row is, start row is 2 and end row is 60. After that, click on start mapping button. As we have a smart mapping function, so it will do the mapping. But in Amazon, Flipkart, all e-commerce portals, we have already done the mapping for our clients. If you want to make any changes, you can make. Click on import data button. We'll have a data in an Excel sheet from a template. By using a smart mapping, we have taken a data in Excel without any manual copy pasting. So it saves your time. Now here you can see we have a voucher type as a shipment, MFN shipment cancel. But our Tally doesn't accept shipment, MFN and cancel because Tally have its default voucher types. So here we have to change the voucher type. So we'll apply a filter and change the name of a voucher types. First we select shipment and MFN shipment and we'll replace this by sales. After that, after replacing, we'll keep cancel as it is and we create a voucher type for a cancel separately under sales category in a Tally. Now here you have to select the seller name. The seller is Amazon in your case. So select Amazon.in. Whatever name you can take here. If you have any already created ledger in your Tally, you can select that ledger. But for that you have to click on this button, connect with Tally. It will get connected with your Tally company. After connecting with that Tally company, click on this match ledger with Tally. So this all ledgers, all party ledger will change their color to maroon. If the ledger is already available in Tally, it will show you in a blue color. But currently Amazon.in is not available in my Tally company. So now I want to create this ledger. But suppose if you want to take a ledger from your Tally data, then just double click on the cell. You will get a drop down box and in the drop down box you can check all ledgers which you already have in your company, and you can select any of them. After that, here in Amazon data, they didn't provide you the country name in a full form. You have to make it full form and apply a proper formula just to get a proper GST report. Okay, next, item creation is depend on you. You can create item by ASIN or SKU. It's your choice. You want to make an item by ASIN or SKU. Currently, I'll just take a ASIN to create an item. Here we need to define a unit, as we don't have a unit in a Excel sheet. Excel-Tally softwares provide you the auto calculation button. Just click on the button, create GST ledger. You have to select the company state. Currently my company having a Gujarat state, so I'll just select Gujarat, and I need to give the first two initials of my company GST number. So I'll give here 24. Here we provide you the display ledger type. 5 types we have given. One plain, another is with a percentage, input, output and local. So I'll just select with the percentage, and here another tax calculation on, after discount, before discount. So I'll select before discount. Click on create ledger button. So you will get the calculation of GST according to the state. If any state having a Gujarat, if any party having a state Gujarat, then it will calculate SGST CGST. But suppose if any party doesn't have a Gujarat state, they are belong from another, then it will calculate IGST. As we have done with our calculation, I'll just save this file. We'll again go to the software. On a software, we have a e-commerce features. Click on the e-commerce feature. In the e-commerce feature, e-commerce MTR plus, click on that option. You will get a browsing menu. In the browsing menu, select Excel Tally 9.9 folder. In a folder, e-commerce template. In e-commerce template, just select same file which we have prepared. Same file which we have prepared now. Click on open, click on yes. Now it will start to import our data in a Tally. First it will create all ledgers, all item, and then it will create the invoices for us. Here you can see 56 entries were created. Now we'll check these entries in a Tally. Under Amazon ledger, you can check all these entries. Here, this one is our sales entry. You can see all the details were available. We'll check cancel entry. Here, 15 cancel entries. Cancel entries will automatically get cancelled if you select a cancel voucher type. By following method, you can import your Amazon sales data.